everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Renee, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make the perfect healthy lentil soup. So let's get into it. First, in a bowl, add 3 tablespoons of red lentils, which is also known as masoor dal. Then add 3 tablespoons of yellow lentils, which is also known as moong dal. And then add 2 tablespoons of split chickpeas, which is also known as tur dal. And now add 2 cups of water in it and soak it for 10 minutes. Now that our lentils are soaked, we are going to drain that water and add all the lentils in the cooker. Now in it add 2 cloves of garlic, 1 small chopped tomato, 1 small chopped carrot and half teaspoon of salt in it, and now add 2 cups of water. And now add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric and cook it on low flame until 2 whistles. And now that our veggie mixture is ready, it should look something like this. And mix it a little bit and add it into the blender and form a smooth paste of it. And it should look something like this. Now take a pan and heat the pan on low flame for 2 minutes and add the veggie mixture in it. And now add 1/4 teaspoon of pepper and half cup of water. Give it a good mix until everything is mixed properly and the flavors are combined. Now cook it for 5 minutes on low flame and then add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and if you want to add more you can, and add 1/8 teaspoon of cumin powder and give it a good mix again. And yes, our lentil soup is ready. It tastes amazing and you should definitely try this recipe. Thank you.